In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the goals feature in Monarch Money. If you're looking to get your finances in order and set achievable savings goals, you've come to the right place. Monarch Money offers a straightforward way to align your financial objectives with your habits, making it easier than ever to stay on track. So grab your device and let's get started. First things first, let's open the Monarch Money app on your device. Once it's up, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If it's your first time using the app, make sure you take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will help you feel more comfortable as we continue. Having the app open and ready is the foundation of today's tutorial, so get that sorted before we move on. Now within the app, you'll want to navigate to the Goals section. This is typically located on a tab at the bottom of your screen. A quick tap on the Goals tab will lead you into a space where you can start visualizing and planning for your financial future. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage their money more effectively, so let's make the most of it. Once you're in the Goals section, the next thing you'll do is create a new goal. Look for the option to Create Goal. This is usually prominently displayed to guide you on the right path. If you can't find it right away, take a moment to explore the tab until you spot it. Remember, creating goals is at the heart of reaching your financial dreams, so don't skip this step. With the option to create a goal in front of you, it's time to dive into the specifics. Here, you'll enter the details of your goal, the name, the target amount you wish to save, and the deadline or timeline for achieving it. Naming your goal is important. It will keep you focused and motivated every time you see it. Be sure to set a realistic target amount and deadline, as these elements will serve as your roadmap to success. Now that you've got a goal defined, you might want to link your financial accounts. This helps automate your savings process, making it easier to allocate funds toward your goal. Within the app, you can select which account or accounts you'd like to use to fund this particular goal. Linking accounts ensures that your efforts are fully integrated with your existing financial setup. Finally, once all the details are in place, tap the Save button to confirm your goal. This will store your information and update your progress within the app. Now, your goal is officially part of your financial strategy, and you'll be one step closer to achieving it. Last but not least, don't forget to regularly check back on the Goals tab to track your progress. Seeing how close you are to reaching your targets can significantly boost your motivation and keep you accountable. This engaging dynamic view will clearly show your journey, providing vital insights to help you adjust your strategy if necessary. Following these steps ensures that you're making the most of the Goals feature and setting yourself up for financial success with Monarch Money.